Want to see who views your TikTok profile? Curious who watches your posts and stories? Here's how to turn on viewer history. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make social media tips and tech tutorials simple and beginner-friendly. Step 1. First, open the TikTok app on your smartphone. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to open your account page. Step 2. Look at the top right corner of your profile page. Tap the three-line menu icon to access your account settings. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section contains all your account controls and privacy options. Step 4. Inside Settings, tap the Privacy option. This section controls who can see your activity and profile interactions. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. We post simple tech tutorials, TikTok tips, and smartphone tricks to help you master your apps faster. Step 5. Scroll down through the privacy menu. Tap the option labeled Viewers to manage viewer history. Step 6. Locate the switch labeled Viewer History. Tap the toggle to turn the feature on. Step 7. Viewer history works mutually between TikTok users. If you enable it, others can also see when you view their profile or posts. Now you know exactly how to enable viewer history on TikTok and see who views your profile and posts. If you want to learn more TikTok tricks like privacy settings, hidden features, and growth tips, check out the next tutorial on Preyo Phonie. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.